Hi guys, what's happening? Welcome to RTH Tech TV. Hopefully all of you guys are doing good with all your loved ones amidst this pandemic. These are tough times, guys. Let's hope everything good happens in the future. Now, a lot of you guys were asking me why aren't you uploading videos or making reviews. The thing is, guys, I was waiting for the right product to be launched in this budget segment, and also I was busy with some family business, so that's the reason why I couldn't upload videos. Now I have ordered certain items, and one among them is Samsung Galaxy M31s. So definitely today we'll unbox it. We'll have a look at camera samples, and let's also listen to sound quality. Now, importantly, guys, this part of the video is being recorded with M31s, so you can definitely judge the video and audio quality. Now let's quickly move on with the unboxing. Alright guys, so this is the Samsung Galaxy M31s. Let's quickly unbox it. So this actually comes in two variants, one which has 6 gigs of RAM and the other one which has 8 gigs of RAM. Both come with 128 gigs of inbuilt storage. So let's quickly remove this plastic wrap, and then we'll have a look at the device itself. So this comes with the quad camera setup, guys. So the main camera is 64 megapixel. So this is the main camera. It's the 64 megapixel camera, and the aperture is 1.8. So theoretically we should get good bokeh effect, and also pictures should be good in low light. And it also has 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, 5 megapixel depth camera, and 5 megapixel macro camera. Now the ultra wide camera, the area which it covers is 123 degrees, and it comes with 6000 mAh massive battery plus a fast charger being included in the box. We'll quickly see that in a bit. On the front side, we have 32 megapixel camera, and the display is 6.5 inch full HD plus display. It's the Infinity O display, and it's a super AMOLED display, guys. So definitely colors are punchy, blacks look inky black. And for the protection, we have Gorilla Glass 3 being provided. I believe Gorilla Glass 5 could have been a better option. So let's quickly turn this on. And regarding the processor, guys, it comes with Exynos 9611. It's an octa-core processor, and it's a 10 nanometer processor, guys. So theoretically it should again do well in terms of battery life and overall gaming performance. And regarding GPU, we have Mali G72 MP3 GPU. So while it boots up, let's quickly see what else comes in the box. So as I mentioned, it comes with 25 watt fast charger. So let's quickly see the rating. So it has an output of 5 volt at 3 amps, 9 volt at 2.77 amps, and it also comes with Type-C cable, so which is again a pretty good thing. Okay, so let's keep all these things aside and let's quickly set up the device. Alright guys, I have set up the device. Now quickly, before we look into camera samples and sound quality, let's quickly have a look at the device itself. So on the top side, we have secondary mic for noise cancellation. On the right side, we have power button and volume rockers. Now the power button itself houses the fingerprint sensor. We'll quickly have a look at the performance of this fingerprint sensor in a bit. On the bottom side, we have Type-C port, speaker grill on the right bottom corner, and headphone jack on the left bottom corner. And on the left side, it's pretty plain except the SIM tray and the micro SD card tray. So both are combined into one slot itself. So you can add 2 SIM cards and also a micro SD card at any given point in time. So you can expand the storage up to 512 GB. So quickly, let's have a look at the fingerprint sensor performance. So as you can notice, it's fairly fast, but not as fast as some other devices like Poco X2. As you can notice, it's a tad bit slower. So here's a quick comparison with Poco X2. As you can notice, it's fairly fast. So guys, if you need a comparison between Poco X2 and M31s, let me know in the comment section. Now out of the box, guys, it comes with 128 gigs of inbuilt storage, as I mentioned already. Let's quickly have a look at the storage. So out of that 128 GB, 106.4 GB is actually available to the user. Now I haven't installed any applications yet, and it runs on One UI 2.0, which is based on Android 10. Now out of that 6 gigs of RAM, if you closely notice, around 3.5 GB is actually available to the user out of the box. Now looking at the design and build, it sort of has that fiberglass back panel. It's not completely made up of glass. That's what I'm feeling. And it's a fingerprint magnet, guys. As you can notice, a lot of fingerprints already. So definitely it's a good idea to add a case or cover. I'll try and leave the links in the description box below for this phone, and also a case or cover. Now, good thing is it has nice gradient finish to it. As you can notice, it has that blue and gray texture to it. So this is the Mirage blue variant, guys. There is also another Mirage black variant, so you can check or select between those two color variants. Alright guys, now looking at camera samples, it was a bright sunny day. Images were detailed and sharp. As the main camera has 1.8 aperture lens, background blur or bokeh effect was crisp and nice, giving you that DSLR kind of effect. Even focusing on objects was fast and accurate. Colors were slightly saturated to my liking, but it has overall decent color reproduction. Now I was very much impressed with the ultra wide angle mode. It did cover a lot of area indeed, as you can notice. In terms of low light, images were slightly noisy and grainy, and exposure handling was not that good. In terms of selfies, images were detailed, color reproduction was good, but edge detection in portrait mode was not perfect. So that's it guys. If you feel this video was informative, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, follow us on Twitter at RGH Tech TV, subscribe to us on YouTube. Most importantly, thanks for watching and I'll see you real soon.